Hello, Charles Wright families. This is Mrs. Davis, the Dean of Culture from Charles Wright School. A couple teachers have indicated that parents were having difficulty logging in to their child's Clever portal. So this is a quick tutorial to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go to our school's website. When you go to our school's website, you're going to go to the left where it says menu, and that's here. You're going to click on this link. You're going to go down to resources. When you go to resources, there's an icon that says Clever. You're going to click on that. Here, you'll know that you're on the right spot when it says Detroit Public Schools Community District. You're going to click here to log on with your child's Active Directory, which is the same thing as their iReady credentials. So you're going to click here. Once you click here, you're going to sign in with your child's ID number. Most children know that. If you do not have this information, your child's teacher will provide this for you. And once you put the ID in, you have to hit at the dps.org and then click next. Then you need to put in your child's password, which you can also get this from your child's teacher. Then you're going to click sign in. Once you sign in, here you can see there's pages that your teachers have included in here for you. There's Mayan, there's code.org, your iReady app. If you scroll down to Office 365, this is where you can locate your child's email. Here, this page indicates that this is the first time that this child has been in their email. So you have to make sure that you provide the correct time zone. So here, language, you're going to leave that alone. Click on this link. You're going to scroll down to our Eastern Standard Time Zone. Then you're going to click here. You're going to hit save. And voila, you are in your child's email. You can send your child's teacher an email here. And then there's all kinds of great resources. This is another tutorial that we'll talk about more, which you can do with Office 365. Thank you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your classroom teacher or me, Mrs. Davis, at angelita.davis@detroitk12.org. Thank you. Please stay safe, stay home,